In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import accounts from MYOB in Xero. We'll walk through the full process together, step by step, so you can move your chart of accounts across with confidence and avoid having to rebuild it from scratch. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero organization with a user role that has access to the chart of accounts, such as an advisor or someone with full financial settings. Once you're in Xero, look along the top menu for the Accounting tab. This is where Xero keeps most of your financial setup features. Go ahead and click on Accounting to open that main accounting menu. From here, you'll see an option called Chart of Accounts. This is essentially the master list of all your income, expense, asset, liability, and equity accounts in Xero. Click on Chart of Accounts to open that page. If this is a new organization, the list may be fairly short, but that's fine, because we're about to bring in your accounts from MYOB. On the Chart of Accounts page, look for the Import option. Depending on your Xero layout, this may appear as a button near the top of the screen, often labeled Import or something similar next to Export options. Click on the Import option to start the process of bringing in your MYOB chart of accounts. Once you click to import, Xero will give you a few choices for where your accounts are coming from. In this case, we want to import a file generated from MYOB. Look for the MYOB option and click on it. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to export your chart of accounts from MYOB first, usually as a file that Xero can read, such as a text or CSV file. Save that file somewhere easy to find on your computer, like your desktop or a dedicated accounts folder. After choosing MYOB, simply follow the on-screen prompts in Xero. Typically, you'll be asked to browse your computer, select the MYOB export file, and then upload it. Xero may show you a preview of the accounts it's about to import, so take a quick moment to check that the account names and codes look correct. If Xero highlights any issues, such as duplicate codes or invalid formats, adjust those in your file or within the preview before confirming. When everything looks good, confirm the import. Xero will process the file and add those accounts to your chart of accounts. Once it's complete, review the list to make sure everything from MYOB has come across as expected.